Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can flip a video in Adobe After Effects. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Adobe After Effects, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, I have the option to create a new project. From here, you can open a project. Here, you can start a new team project or open a team project. So right now, I'm going to click on new project, or you can also click on create new. And then once you do that, you need to choose a media file to start working with it. So right now, for example, I'm going to choose this one, click on import, and then just wait for it to import, and then it will be added. So basically, guys, once you add your video, as you can see, guys, right here, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your video. So right now, in order to flip your video, just go ahead and go to scale right here, or you can select the clip you want to flip from here, then click on S, and then as you can see, guys, you're going to find scale right here. So right here, you're going to find two percentages. So basically, guys, the one in the left is for flipping it vertically, and the one in the right is for flipping it horizontally. So right now, what you need to do, guys, is click on it, and then right next to the percentage, go ahead and add a minus. So if it's 100%, we're going to make it minus 100%. So right now, if you do minus 100%, as you can see, guys, it will be flipped like this. So right now, if you want to flip it vertically, just go ahead and click right here, add a minus, and then hit enter. And as you can see, guys, it's flipped. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.